All right, you guys, so we're back over at Elite Wraps again. We're getting some more work done on the Subi. Guys, make sure you guys, once again, if you're in the Southern California or just California surrounding areas, make sure you guys go ahead and hit up Elite Wraps. They have been taking care of all my cars. They've been taking care of my Subi. They've been taking care of my Corvette. And they've been taking a lot of care of some awesome cars. Any type of wrap, body work, pretty much any work you guys need for your cars, definitely go ahead and hit them up. In the last video we guys did, that you guys saw, if you haven't seen it yet, we did those inserts of the carbon fiber Subispeed sides. Just kind of enhances the wide and the width looks definitely much more aggressive kind of style. But today we're going to be going ahead and doing the bottom door trim line right there. We're going to be doing that in gloss black, and we also have a gloss black hood insert that we're going to be putting on the car. So that's why we're going to be going ahead with that gloss black look, with the carbon fiber and the blue look. But once again, whew, that looks so good, man. All right, my man, so what are you doing with this? You're just kind of laying out the outline of where you're going to wrap?
Yeah, pretty much. So this part's going gloss black right here. So, you know, to protect the paint, of course, we would never, you know, blade the paint at all. So we got to use nitrous tape. This one in particular is Design Line. You know, it's a really good product. And right here, I'm just gonna follow the body line of the car. So when I end up wrapping this part in gloss black, and then all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you guys later, is that when I place the wrap down, I'm gonna peel all that off, and it's gonna be really smooth.
That's cool. So that's why you guys do the line. So yeah, when you peel that back, that's kind of like the spot where it's done.
Exactly. And this way, you know, the paint's not damaged, and you know, you ensure like, all right, the car's perfectly fine. When you peel it off, you know, it's like good as new. You know what I mean? Make sure your line's straight, you know?
Yeah, and it's awesome because like each time I do a video, I kind of like to feature like someone different. Right. So it kind of shows like, oh, the whole team, like, oh, they're like, you know what I mean?
This actually didn't need too much double side tape.
Oh, it didn't?
No, because then you put it on this side, but this side doesn't even,
yeah, it doesn't. Oh, so you only have to, oh, see, okay.
Yeah.
So you only really have to use the side that actually touches the, which makes sense.
This actually just falls right into the spot. I felt it, like, go right in.
Yes, yeah, I like the black with the black roof. I was like, oh yeah, I should probably do like a little nice black accent here. Dang, that's tough. Dang, look at that. So crazy what a little, small little.
Really make a difference.
Yeah, like how just little that is. What do next?
Yeah, so we pretty much laid the panel, laid the wrap on the panel, and then tucked everything in. So now pretty much just gotta post heat the whole thing, so you know, this ensures that in the future it's not gonna bubble up, peel up, or nothing like that. So it's pretty important to post heat all these corners pretty well.
Perfect.
So I'm trying to peel, and that's good. Pretty much. So that's one panel done.
Yeah, it looks really good, man.
Yeah, it changes the look of the car a lot.
Yeah, especially how it's gonna kind of flow and. Yeah. Yeah, it looks really, really good. Yeah, just like the little insert. And I was like, oh yeah, it'd probably fit because I wanted to have like the sides, the roof, that to be glossed, and I would have like
this one has like the pattern right here.
Yeah, so that's kind of why I was like, I was gonna do black. But I was like, I kind of wanted to keep the pattern.
Right.
Yeah, so it kind of so it's, and then it kind of would blend too much if it was all the same thing. So. Yeah, try and piece everything together, man.
Yeah, I get the other.
All right, you guys, so you can see, first panel is done. Man, it looks good. Like I said, love how this just matches together. I'm gonna do the second panel down there. You see how it's gonna look. Dang, it looks nice. Definitely looks really aggressive. Looks really, really nice. Love how this is definitely coming together. We got the hood. Hood's looking nice too. Everything's almost done. This side's looking really nice, like I said. Love how this looks. The pattern piece. It's really, really good. All right, so you guys can see how it looks. Man, that came out really good. Super clean. Like I said, want to have the gloss black on the sides and the gloss black on the roof. The gloss black on this part. So the top and the sides are gloss black, but I wanted the sides to really just match this texture right here and the material. Very subtle. But you'll notice it when you come closer to the car. You can see just how it's looking, and man, Elite Wraps is definitely killing it every time. Every time, guys.
Wraps, anything you need, just come on by.
Yeah, bring your cars in, guys. You guys can see they take care of your cars. They do a great job with everything. They always do great prep, great work during the prep, and great post. And it's just so friendly, so nice. Everything comes out really, really good, really clean. They do a great job with their materials. And the quality is perfect. You know, I've asked them to do a few minor custom type of things, but they do it perfectly to a T.
Yeah, and really,
look at that.
You know,
look at
top
this.
quality materials, for example, this is Avery right here. So some wrap shops, you find they use like, you know, random brand wraps to save cost.
Oh, Avery Black, yeah.
So Avery's a good brand, and some wrap shops, and I've seen people like, you know, they install like really cheap wraps on their car, and then when you peel it off, that's where it
Yeah, you can tell, yeah.
It either like it just damages it. So we only use top quality materials, and everything we use like you know, tools, everything. You know, nice tape. You don't keep out on nothing at all. You know what I mean? So it's only top quality stuff for sure.
Yeah, it's very, very appreciated. So one more time, guys, go ahead and check them out. Look at that line. Look at that perfect line that just goes from there to that line right there. That's perfect. That's perfect. They even do hood work over here. Doing some hood work on this nice brand new Tesla. Here they have luxury, sport, sedan, comfort. You guys need stripes. Pretty much everything you guys can think of, they pretty much can do for you. But sheesh, look at that. Subi's looking nice. Subi is getting there, guys. This is a community build. We've been voting on the taillights, voted on the exhaust, voted on a whole bunch of stuff in the interior. We voted on the red interior that we want to do with the car. So you guys voted for it, I'm doing it. So we're gonna have much more votes coming soon. All right, guys, so here's the other side. Man, like, look at their lines, man. Like, this is, man, that is so good. So good. So good. We followed it to a T exactly how I wanted it. Man, that is perfect. That's good. That was good. Now we were getting somewhere, guys. Now this car is definitely getting somewhere. Like I said, I wanted to have the gloss on the roof, and then on the sides, and on the other parts, I wanted to have the carbon. And it matches, man. Gloss, carbon, gloss, carbon. So you guys can see, I'm having this gloss black and then the blue and red kind of accents going on. Got the gloss black, red, carbon, gloss. And then on the inside and the outside, yeah, that looks fire. Wait, we got a whole bunch of stuff we're gonna be doing with the car. Lots of other things gonna be coming. Like I said, we got the Liberal Addiction rear bumper, we got the Liberal Addiction front bumper, the Liberal Addiction side skirts. We're gonna be doing a full-on, like, custom type of wrap here. We're gonna be doing a whole bunch of stuff with the car. Really excited. One more time, shout out to Elite Wraps for doing an amazing job. They've been killing it, guys. They've been absolutely killing it. And yeah, man, it's hard starting to get there, man. We're almost there. The next thing is just to get something on this. It's getting there. Do like a whole rally theme type of wrap with it, add on to it. And I'm just so excited, guys. If you guys like the video, hit the like button. If you want to follow the journey, hit the subscribe button. Like I always keep saying, guys, go after your dreams and make them reality and be your own hero. Because the world needs more heroes and we all got the power to be one. Everyone have a great day, y'all. Peace.